Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cardino, and in this video I will show you how to duplicate pages and posts in WordPress. See, there are some situations where duplicating a post or a page seems necessary. So if a situation arises, then you can use the method that I am going to show in this video. Okay, so first let's go to the dashboard, and then let's go to the plugins, add new, and in the search bar let's type Yoast duplicate post. Now this is the plugin we are going to install. Now let's hit install now. So now let's click activate. Okay, the plugin is now activated. Okay, now let's go to the post, all post. Okay, I have a post here. Now let's to duplicate the post, just hit the clone option. Okay, as you can see, the post is now duplicated. It even copies the category, tags and everything. It's almost the exact replica of the original post. So you can do the same thing for the pages as well. From here you can choose a page to clone. For example, if you want to clone the contact page, hit the clone option and you will get the exact replica of the page. So that's it guys. So it's extremely easy to clone pages and posts in WordPress. If you have any questions, let me know them in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.